everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make okra gel. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get notified when next I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I got this okra. I know you may have been hearing about okra gel but do not know how to use it or how to even prepare it. So that is why I'm making this video to show you how I make my okra gel and how I use it on my natural hair. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then keep watching. So I'm just going to cut the okra into smaller pieces. There are two ways you can cut your okra into smaller pieces. The first one is how you see me doing it now. The second one is what you are going to see next. Just make sure that they are in smaller pieces. You can also grate it, whichever works for you. So okra gel is in season now and it is very affordable. This one I am slicing now. I got it for 15 naira, so you can get it for as low as 15 naira in the market. And the ingredients you'll be needing is just this okra and water. So after slicing it, I placed it in a pot and then pour some water to cover it. I put it on fire to boil for like 10 to 15 minutes on medium to low heat. After it has finished boiling, I brought it down to cool down before I sieved it. You can use the leftover to make soup or to use for another gel next time, or you can just throw it away. I threw mine away because I do not have any use for it. So make sure to strain your gel very well. If you don't like the smell of the gel, you can add some essential oils like lavender or peppermint oil. So after doing that, I transferred it to my spray bottle. If you have an applicator bottle, that would be the best to use. It's better to use an applicator bottle instead of a spray bottle if you don't want it to be messy. So here we have our okra gel. So now I'm going to be using it on my hair as a detangler. Okra gel is great for detangling. It's great for moisturizing and getting rid of dandruff. It also has great benefits and nutrients for hair growth. Okra gel contains calcium, potassium, and it is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. This gel can be used often, like 2 to 3 times a week, depending on you and how fast your hair dry. It can serve as a detangler, like I said earlier. It can serve as a deep conditioner and a moisturizer. It can also serve as a leave-in conditioner. Right here, I'm using it as a detangler because I'm preparing for wash day, so I need my hair to be detangled before washing my hair. So after using my fingers to detangle my hair, I'm just going to go through with my comb, starting from the tips of my hair down to the roots of my hair. I've used this gel before. The first time I used it as a deep conditioner, and it left my hair very soft and shiny. Yes, this gel adds some shine to the hair as well after using it. The gel doesn't smell at all, but if you don't like the smell, you can add some essential oils like I said before. Essential oils like lavender or peppermint oil. So you can see how my hair is looking juicy. You can see how I'm applying it now. It's kind of difficult, but if it was an applicator bottle, it would be much more easier than this. So again, it is best to use an applicator bottle so you don't have to stress yourself applying it to your hair, and so that you can get enough of it in your hair. I always love to put my hair into twists after detangling or doing anything with my hair. By now you should know why I do that. In case you don't know, this is to avoid shrinkage and keep my hair stretched till wash day or when I want to style my hair. This gel can last up to 1 week if you put it in a refrigerator, and 3 days without a refrigerator. So my hair is fully detangled and ready for wash day. You can see how my hair has revived and looking so juicy. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment in the comment section if you found this video helpful. Share this video also with your friends. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.